In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Crunchyroll app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official app in the Microsoft Store and get it installed on your Windows PC without any confusion. First, open the Microsoft Store. This is the built-in app marketplace on Windows, and it's the safest place to download trusted applications. You can find it on your taskbar as a shopping bag icon with the Microsoft logo. If you don't see it there, click the Start button and start typing Microsoft Store. Then select it from the results. Give it a moment to load, especially if it hasn't been opened in a while. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window and type Crunchyroll. Keep it simple. Just the word Crunchyroll is enough. Press Enter or click the search icon to see the results. If nothing shows up right away, double-check your spelling and make sure your internet connection is stable. From the search results, select the official Crunchyroll app. This is important. Look for the recognizable Crunchyroll orange logo and confirm the publisher name is legitimate. You can also glance at the app's rating, reviews, and description to make sure it's the real deal. Taking an extra second to verify the official listing helps you avoid lookalike apps that aren't necessary or trustworthy. Now, click Install to download the app. Depending on your version of the Microsoft Store, the button might say Get or Install, but it works the same way. The store may ask you to confirm your Microsoft account before it begins. Just follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. You won't need to pay for the download. After you click Install, wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download and install status. The speed can vary based on your connection, so it's normal for this to take a minute or two. Try not to close the Microsoft Store while it's working. If you see it pause for any reason, it usually resumes automatically, and you can check the progress under the Library or Downloads section in the store if you're curious. When the button changes to Open, that's your confirmation that the installation is finished. You'll also find the Crunchyroll app listed in your Start menu in the Recently Added or All Apps section, ready for you whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. Quick, safe, and straightforward.